Welcome and thank you for choosing Aveyo's Soar program. I'm Brian Decker and one of the partners here at Aveyo. Aveyo means we see you, and we understand that as a homeowner that you deserve a transparent process from start to finish. So we want to start out at setting the proper expectations so you can understand the journey that we're going to embark on together to save you money and take control of your energy needs. The next crucial step of your solar journey is the site inspection. This is where our team will come to your home to examine your home's specific electrical needs, examine the shading on your property, as well as any custom requirements your home has to design the perfect energy solution for your property. Next, following your site survey, Aveyo takes charge in procuring your engineering plans on your behalf. This is designing the plans to submit to the city to get the required permits, all the way to seeking interconnection with your current utility company. Our dedicated team will be working diligently on these aspects, ensuring a seamless process for you. If needed, our team will be reaching out to you to get any required signatures and have any questions answered, ensuring that we have the perfect design system for your home. We want this to be no inconvenience for you and ensure that you get exactly what you're expecting on your home. Once we secure your permits from the city and any other authorities having jurisdiction, we'll reach out to you to get a time scheduled at your convenience to begin the professional solar installation. Our experienced team ensures a smooth and efficient installation process to bring your solar vision to life. The installation process is actually very quick, taking on average only about 1 to 3 days to complete the installation. After the installation, there are a few additional steps before we can actually activate your system, but rest assured you will never be charged anything for your system until that system is activated. These additional steps include getting the city to come out and sign off on the installation that it matches all the plans and permits, and then having your utility company come out, view the system, and actually get it activated. Now, depending on the exact timeframes with your city and your utility company, this can take just a few weeks or up to a month in some cases, and your project manager will keep you in the loop every step of the way. Once we receive the permission to operate the system from your current utility company, you will have the full ability to monitor, view, and track your solar system's performance through your apps and monitoring system. From site survey to system activation, we are dedicated to making your journey to transition to solar energy a hassle-free and positive experience. And lastly, we are so excited to soar together with you on your positive move towards sustainable energy for your home.